Hello, my name is Norma. I just want to let all my friends on Facebook know that I'm real. I'm not fake. And yes, I'm a big fan of John Cena. Um, I really don't know what to say. I just want everybody to see my profile pic is for real. It's me. I'm not fake. So I really don't know what's much to say about this video. I've made others and sung on them. But I understand in the mood for singing right now. I just want everyone to see that it's me. Okay? Thanks. Love y'all. Have a good evening. And I'll make another video soon. God bless all. Love you. Bye.